Crushing Smile, aka Southern Firecracker. Only if you make me. And I am getting ready to make dinner. Today on the menu is Pineapple Bourbon Chicken with rice. So I'm not gonna do a whole lot of stuff off to the side. But yes, so first things first, I already have my carcasses, my pineapple casings or whatever. I got the inside out and cut in half. I'm gonna pop them in the oven because I do want them to cook just a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and get going. I'm gonna grab a pan, and then so I can pop everything in the oven. And then today we're going to be using our nice big carrot pan. You can fit everything in here. It calls for like ginger, but I don't have any ginger left because I have it juiced. So instead we're going to use the juiced ginger in the mix. So there's that. And then I have garlic in my little container, which is getting low. I have my pineapple that was frozen. I do have fresh pineapple, but I want to use the frozen first. Plus, I already put the bourbon in here. My pineapple's been soaking in it overnight. I just have a little cheapy, what is it, Henry McKenna bourbon whiskey. Kentucky Straight is what it says. I don't know nothing about bourbon. I don't drink this stuff. The harder stuff that I really be drinking is some Fireball. Everything else is at this point it's there for decoration. So I still have some of this left. I'm gonna use this in my mixture. It needs soy sauce, so I'm gonna use the sweet soy sauce, and also I'm going to use thick soy sauce. When you use thick soy sauce, though, if you have some of this on hand, don't put a whole lot. Thick soy sauce it's got a bitter at the end, so be careful. I'm just going to use a little bit. I'm going to do a little rice wine vinegar. If you have apple cider, you can do that. I'm substituting a lot of stuff if you guys can't tell. And then hoisin. So, and then I have my chicken that I've already cut up in cubes. And yeah, we're just going to get going. I'll be back.